Welcome to our video tutorial on using Apache Mahout for machine learning. Today, we'll dive deep into the fantastic world of machine learning with one of the most powerful libraries out there, Apache Mahout. We'll cover everything from installation to practical examples of machine learning algorithms. Firstly, what is Apache Mahout? Apache Mahout is a distributed linear algebra framework and mathematically expressive Scala DSL designed to provide a highly scalable environment for machine learning. Now, let's get started with the installation. To run Apache Mahout, you will need to have Apache Hadoop installed. Make sure you have Java installed as well, as Mahout is built on top of Hadoop, which requires Java to run. Let's begin by installing Hadoop. After setting up Hadoop, now we need to configure it. This involves setting the core site.xml and HDFS site.xml. Let me show you how to do this. Next, we will configure the HDFS site.xml file to define the replication factor and the data nodes. This step is crucial for configuring your Hadoop cluster. Now that Hadoop is configured, we can proceed to download and install Apache Mahout. You can download it from the official Apache Mahout website. After installation, Mahout provides several examples for you to get started. We will focus on one of the most widely used machine learning algorithms, collaborative filtering. But first, let's check the structure of our input data. Mahout works well with user item rating matrices, so we need to prepare our data accordingly. Here's a sample dataset format. Now, let's create our rating matrix in a CSV format. We will use this data for our collaborative filtering example that we will execute in Mahout. Before executing the Mahout collaborative filtering job, we need to package our data into Hadoop using the Hadoop file system. Let's upload our CSV to HDFS. Now we're ready to run the collaborative filtering algorithm. In Mahout, we typically use the Mahout command in the terminal. Let's run the command. This command will read our ratings data from HDFS and output recommendations to the specified output directory. Let's check the output to see our recommendations. As we can see from the recommendations generated, Mahout effectively analyzed the data and provided suggestions based on users' ratings. Now we can visualize this data in a more user-friendly way. Next, let's look into clustering, another powerful aspect of Mahout. We'll implement the k-means clustering algorithm to group our data points. For clustering, we first need to convert our input data into a suitable format. Mahout expects data in a specific format. We'll use the following sample data. Let's save this data in a CSV file as well, so we can use it for k-means clustering. Just like before, we'll upload this new dataset to HDFS to make it accessible for Mahout. To perform k-means clustering, we will execute the Mahout command specifying the input data and output directory. Here, k specifies the number of clusters we want to find, and I is for the number of iterations. After executing this command, we can check the output results for our clusters. The output shows us which points belong to which clusters based on the k-means algorithm. We can analyze these results to understand the underlying patterns in the data. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to review what we've done today. We've installed Apache Mahout, prepared datasets, executed collaborative filtering, and performed clustering using k-means. Remember that machine learning is a vast field, and Apache Mahout is just one of the tools at your disposal. There are many other algorithms and methods to explore. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more machine learning content. Until next time, happy coding!